Right, so we're going to do the Ring of Fire, but we just need to kind of get more Ring of Fire people together. Before we do that, we're going to go to Team Renegade, the new boys on the block, or kind of new boys on the block, you know what I'm saying? It's like, let's say a rebranding, shall we? Is that fair enough? Team Renegade boys are going to fly. There's that Screaming King. I think that man deserves a drink, don't you? Later in the bar, obviously. That was crazy stuff right there, wasn't it? So the Team Renegade boys are going to fly the night fly. I want you to streak us with it.
Touch my body. I can feel your hands on my
Team Renegade.
Think you got me right where you want me, but you're just in my
Me and Clayton. There you are. Daddy G's in the house.
Don't need nobody in my soul. Bring it down to the beat, control.
Nice boys. I was watching these guys practice this routine last night. They've got your nails. Here we go. Daddy G and Lane Clayton. The sky is yours, boys. Look at the people we got here. Wow. I'm going to tell you something, guys. I've been asked by about 5 or 6 people, when are we going to do the Western Wave? And I said, I don't think we should do it. But they said, no, we've got to do it. Shall we do the Western Wave? The Western Wave starts from that side of the flight line and it goes all the way down. And we'll do that next. Danny G and Liam. We've seen lots of this, haven't we? This is just fantastic. Look at the people, look at our friends all here. This is just fantastic. Thousands of people here in this weekend's Western Park. And this is the boys, Danny G, Danny and Liam. Come on, boys. These boys are skilled, aren't they? I mean, come on. These things are over £3.5 grand each. And they'll strap fireworks to them to put on a show for you, for me, for everyone. These are their own private models. They pay for these themselves. Well, with a little help from back of mum and dad, of course. Or the odd sponsor here and there. But Danny G and Liam putting on a show for us tonight. Come on, give a big round of applause. So Danny G and Liam Clayton. Listen to the crowd, boys. Listen. Hey Pete, I can ask your advice, mate. No, seriously, listen, look at all these people here. I've been asked a few times, should we do this Mexican wave thing, the Western wave? I don't know if they want to do it. What do you reckon?
That's why they want to do it. That's what they're here for.
They don't know how to do it, do they?
You're going to tell me.
It's too dark, isn't it? the Mexican wave, Sean? Should we do the Western wave? Hands up who's got a smartphone. Get your smartphone out now.